Good day YouTube, this is a viral short video .01. This day of August 12, I received this email and my monetization is gone. I don't have access. I received this email, this one, and my access is gone. Based on YPP, I have reduced content violation. My channel name, Viral Short Video 0.1. This is my account and this is my YouTube URL. This is my profile picture, my YouTube URL channel, and this is my things that I use. I have laptop, I have one phone, and this is the place that I use when I do my short videos. This is the toys. I give you sample. This is the view that I use every day that I make short videos. Place how I make the toys. I play like this.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to come again.
This is the other toy that I use every day. This one, the Hello Kitty. The Robocar Polly. This is the toys that this is how I play my toys. Then I upload that. And this is the other table that I use, and this is all my toys. I play this every day for my short video. Then this is how I play my with toys. And I upload this in YouTube. And I put title. This is how I put my title in my short. ASMR automatic vending machine. Automatic vending machine. Then I put hashtags, shorts, viral, satisfying, before I put in YouTube. That's why I upload. And this is all my videos that I use every day. This is all my videos, guys, for my short video that I use that every day. Like this. And this is all my toys. YouTube, please approve my re-appeal and I hope you give my monetization back. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Please give me back my YouTube and I hope I monetize again. Please review properly my channel, my videos. This one, all my toys, please. Thank you very much. This one, all my videos, guys. And this is the place that I live streaming and I do my short videos. Thank you. Have a good day.